You are not in time, time is in you. Sufi Wisdom from Ibn Arabi. In the name of the one beyond time, the one who enfolds all moments into being. He is the first and the last, the manifest and the hidden. Nothing escapes his gaze. Nothing is outside his unfolding. O seeker of truth, pause for a moment and ask yourself, have you been living or merely moving through shadows of time? Have you noticed how the days slip past like rivers while your heart remains anchored in fear, expectation, or habit? Time is not the ticking of clocks, nor the passing of shadows on a wall. Time is the breath of God, a living pulse through which all creation awakens. To the people of the world, time is measured, divided, controlled. They walk through it as though it were a path paved with certainty. But the soul that awakens sees differently. Every moment is a universe. Each breath is a new creation. Each heartbeat reflects the infinite. Time is not behind you, nor ahead of you. It is within you. It is you. There is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. Only now is real. Only now is inhabited by the real. He manifests in every instant and then veils himself again. This is the rhythm of existence. Appearance and withdrawal, creation and concealment, light and shadow. Every sigh, every pause, every pulse of life is a mirror of his eternal unfolding. The awakened soul knows that the past is a trace, the future only imagination. Only the now is inhabited by the real. Allah, the essence of time, whispers, "Do not curse time, for I am time." Time is neither your enemy nor your servant. It is the robe he wears when he chooses to reveal himself. To the one who awakens, time is a veil, a rhythm, a sacred melody flowing through every instant. Seeker, take a breath. Pause, close your eyes. Imagine a moment where time stops. Not the clock, not the calendar, but the very pulse of existence. What would it reveal if you dared to witness it? If this resonates, like the video and share it with a fellow seeker. O traveler of the inward path, step beyond the illusion of hours and days. See the sacred now, the instant that never repeats. The Sufi is a child of the moment. No yesterday, no tomorrow, only this breath, and in this breath he meets his Lord. Presence is not passive. It is the station of witnessing, the opening of your soul like a window to the sun. Every encounter, every event, every whisper of the wind is a divine address. Some moments are soft like candlelight, others strike like lightning, but all are from him and all are him in disguise. Time itself is the unveiling of divine names. When al-Rahman manifests, you feel mercy. When al-Qahar appears, intensity touches your being. Each moment carries the flavor of the One. Each breath is a veil lifted or lowered. The past is an echo, the future a shadow. But the now, the sacred, trembling now, is truth revealed. There are moments when the veil lifts and the self dissolves. Time ceases and the real stands unveiled. You are not here. You are not then. You simply are. Witnessing collapses linearity, leaving only being. You move with his light, breathe with his breath, and see through his presence. Do not flee from time. Enter it. Do not seek to escape it. See through it. For when you witness what lies behind time, all questions dissolve. No past to regret, no future to fear, only the eternal present, as this breath, this moment, this light. Seeker, if you feel the weight of your plans, your fears, your what-ifs, pause and ask, what if the real journey is not to control time, but to surrender to it? Comment below with, if you are choosing presence over control, and don't forget to subscribe for more reflections. Time is not a straight line. It is a river, ever flowing, folding back upon itself, revealing and concealing, teaching and surrendering. From him to him you return, a circle without circumference. Each moment is a point of divine fire, a spark of eternity. Your every breath, your every thought, your every heartbeat is part of the tapestry. You are not your plans, your fears, your past mistakes. You are not your achievements, your roles, your masks. You are the awareness in which all things appear. You are the witness. You are the space in which the world dances. You are the river, and the river is flowing through you. There are moments when silence enters like a teacher. In that silence, the heart begins to remember. You begin to see the world with new eyes. The falling leaf, the laughter of a child, the whisper of the wind. All become ayat, signs of the unseen. You begin to forgive, not because you are noble, but because holding pain poisons your soul. You let go, you release, you breathe. And in the release, light returns. This is the station of witnessing. Here the ego bows, not in defeat, but in reverence. Boundaries emerge not from fear, but clarity. Joy returns not dependent on circumstance, but from the center of your being. Creation flows through your hands not for applause, but because creation is your nature. Love flows not from need, but because love is what you are. Seeker, polish your heart. Stand in the sacred now. Whisper softly, this moment is my teacher. This breath is his gift. This now is the face of God. And that, O seeker, is time. If this touched your soul, like, share, comment, and subscribe to walk this path with us. Every breath, every heartbeat, every moment is your teacher. The eternal now awaits your return.